Hello po, this is Vince. What I have here is a watch from Rado. As you can see po, no, the watch is a rectangular shape. And nakalagay din po sa dial po, no, sa ibaba ng dial, quartz, no. So, this watch po, no, is powered by a battery. May bagong battery po sa loob. Wala nga lang seconds hand, no, to show na nagtitik siya, but it has a new battery and it keeps time naman po, no? Keeps accurate time. And ito po yung case back niya with the reference number. Usually po sa mga Rado watches, nakalagay po dito sa likod na either may sapphire crystal siya or that waterproof siya, no? In the case of, rather scratch proof in the case of Diastars. So this watch is none of those, no? It's neither of those. As you can see, naka mineral crystal po siya. And I'll try to show it dito. Oh, sorry. Try to lower my camera's brightness settings. I will attempt to show some hairline scratches dito po sa mga 4 o'clock banda, no? I hope I can get it to show sa camera. Yan po. Yan po. Meron lang pong mga hairline scratches na particular in that area dito sa 4 o'clock area, no? So, usually with my Rado watches po, naka-sapphire crystal, but in this particular one, hindi po siya. And I would just like to point that out na may existing hairline scratches po yung crystal. The case is also gold-plated and there are signs of wear din naman din po, no? So, hindi po siya Diastar na naka-tungsten carbide. Nonetheless po, no? I think it's still a very presentable and pretty watch, no? Moving on to the strap. Yung strap po, wala pong Rado branding, neither the buckle. So, wala pong Rado stamp dito. Wala din po sa strap, no? So it's this is a replacement, an aftermarket strap, no? Not original to the watch. Yung strap na dumating with this watch is deteriorated na po, and I always replace the deteriorated straps po, no? And even then yung strap na kasama po nito ay hindi rin naman Rado strap. So pinalitan ko na lang po ng bago na presentable. This is genuine leather pa rin naman po, no? This will last you long. And to my hands, no, has a nice feeling. Yung lug width po nito ay 18 millimeters. In case gusto nyo po palitan. This watch is, let's see, 26 millimeters. So, no, I believe that is in vintage sizing. That is men's size. Excuse me. That is men's size, no? Or unisex size na po, no? These days, no? Contemporary unisex na po yan. So, look how big it might seem on my palm. And on my own wrist, no? My wrist is about 15.5. Mga under 16 centimeters. And sakto lang sa akin. So, I would say na this is a unisex watch. Very presentable watch, no? Black dial. Reasonably thin for a quartz watch. So, yun na naman po. Hindi po yan diamond, yung nasa 12 o'clock, no? I believe that's rhinestone siguro po. Made to appear like a diamond. So, yun lang po, no? If there's anything you want to know about this watch na hindi ko po nailagay sa caption or naisabi sa video na to, just let me know. Thank you.